Hello, I'm Xiao. I heard that the air conditioner will dry the air. Is it true? And how much will it dry? Today, let's find out. Our equipment is the humidity meter, and our room is 9 square meters. At first, we test the humidity in the room. It's 78%. Next, let's turn on the air conditioner and measure the humidity after 1 hour. Say 1 hour passed. Let's check out what happened. Wow, the humidity is 15%. It has decreased 28%. The number is pretty much. If you care about it, the humidifier will help you.